Alright guys, so let's take a look at distributive. Today it's a little bit easier than tomorrow. It's not gonna be that, distributive doesn't get that hard. But one thing that we did with distributive is we have a parentheses and something on the outside. And a term on the outside. I'm calling it a term instead of just a number, just because sometimes a term will have letters. So it's easy for me to come and say the number on the outside, but once again, we're going to deal with the outside. Sometimes we're going to have letters. So instead of calling it a number, I'm going to call it a term. What we do, we multiply the term on the outside to the terms on the inside. Remember, the inside, my terms are separated with a plus or minus. So what I do here, when I multiply 8 times 3b, I'm going to get 24v. I just multiply the numbers, 8 times 3. When I go 8 times 5 for the other one, I'm going to get plus 40. At the end, I cannot combine these two because one of them has a letter, the other one does not. So that's my answer, 24v plus 40. Looking at question number 2, multiply the negative 6 to the 1, and you get negative 6. Good morning. Multiply the negative 6 to the a, and you get negative 6a. At the end, one of them has a letter, the other one does not, so we cannot combine it. Okay. Follow the order of multiplication. Right? If the signs are different, you notice how negative 6, positive 1, when the signs are different, I will put a negative sign. If the signs are the same, put a plus. So let me take a look for one that has a negative on the outside. But now let me not take a look at number 2. Let me take a look at number 3. Hold on. Let me take a look at number 8 instead. When I go negative 6 times 1, I get just negative 6. The signs are different, so my answer is negative. But when I go negative 6 times a negative 9, I'm going to call this positive 54a. Once again, negative times a negative gave me a positive. All right. Any questions? Number 9. Look at number 9. Let me multiply negative 5 times x, and I'm going to call that negative 5x. Remember, number and the letter put together means times. And then negative 5 times a negative 3, I'm going to call that positive 15. Remember, negative times a negative gave me a positive. Any other questions? No? All right, let me take roll really quick.